Neither Tony Evers or the representative from Foxconn would talk specifics, but we got to look at how Tony Evers' first budget could impact the tech giant.
Governor Tony Evers.
Tony Evers didn't mention Foxconn by name during his speech at the Wisconsin Manufacturing Extension Partnership Conference, but his budget plans will certainly have the Taiwanese tech giant in mind.
Workforce development and retention has always been and always will be around making sure that we have a good education system. That's where it begins, and we need to fully fund our public schools. As state superintendent, I put together a budget that I think reflected that notion.
Workforce retention will be big for Foxconn, who have made promises for 13,000 jobs. It will help them reach the tax incentives they've been promised.
Stepping outside of your comfort zone and partnering with people who may be even competitive in your industry to be able to get there faster, what would that mean to you?
Getting out of a comfort zone will be necessary for both Foxconn and the governor. Dr. Bill Mitchell wouldn't talk politics with Foxconn, but says working together is imperative to success.
If we can come together with people who might be in a competitive space and work together and learn from each other, then we're all going to get better.
It's a big investment for the state of Wisconsin, and this investment means that there has to be as much transparency as possible, and I believe consistent transparency and consistent messaging is important to the people of Wisconsin. And so that was my message to him, and is frankly the message I've talked about ever since I've become governor.
And Tony Evers is expected to give his budget address next week.